Hi and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to make the floor. The hardest part and most crucial part is really to get the floor level, and the laser comes in really handy and saves a lot of time. Because the floor can get pretty cold in the winter, I've added additional wool under the OSB boards. The first row is really easy because there is no cutting. The second row is really tricky, and for a moment I thought I had not enough material. I took my time for the last corner and I didn't want to screw this up. Also, the angle of that wall is crazy weird. But with some techniques and experience you can do this in no time. And since I had none of these, this took me quite a while. But thank God everything went as planned. I did forget one thing. I did screw the OSB boards just twice. But in the future I should add some screws to the OSB boards because I've noticed that it's squeaking here and there when I walk.
This is it. This is my workshop, which is beautiful and big, and it has 22 square meters. I made the floor, I made the walls. I have plenty of cords, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plenty, yeah? This section here is going to be for the 3D printer. This is empty right now. I even got a proper airflow system, which it's a little bit loud, but here the air comes in, which is going to be flowing until the end of the workshop, right there. And then a small filter, which is going to be placed on this vent here and suck the dirty air filtered out to the garage. This one here is a filter system which is going to refresh the dusty air and replace it with fresh air, so I don't have to wear a mask every time. Alright guys, this is the workshop. I'm super excited of the stuff we're going to build here, so stay tuned. Maybe hit that like and subscribe button, and then we're gonna build some cool stuff here, right? See you!